everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I have brought some wonderful and amazing home organization ideas. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture and can save it. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me, and also let me know from which country you are watching my channel. If you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. And also share this video with your friends. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.